We're staying in the ground floor plan.dwg file, and we're going to take a look at dim space and dim break. They allow you to space and break dimensions in your AutoCAD drawings. They're quick and easily found on the Annotate tab on the ribbon. So there's dimension break there on the dimensions panel, and there is adjust space or dim space right there as well. If you zoom in on the lower left corner of the drawing and pan upwards a little bit, you can see there's some dimensions here that aren't beautifully spaced. 6420, 7501, 14701. The spacing is a little bit off there and needs tidying up. So we're going to go to the dimensions panel, click on this one here, dim space, adjust space, and it's asking for a base dimension. That's going to be the 6420 dimension. Then the dimensions to space are the 7501. Now you don't have to click on the dimension text, you can click on the dimension line, like that. And the 14701 as well, like so. Press enter to confirm that selection, and it'll prompt you for a spacing value or offer you an auto option. Now, depending on your settings, your annotation scales, your annotative scaling and so on, the auto function can be a little bit funny sometimes with the spacings. So it is sometimes better to manually put in the spacing that you want. I'm going to type in 250 as a spacing like that. You just type it in, press enter to confirm, and as you can see, they're spaced nice and neatly now. Now, looking at the 2791 dimension here now, we've got a bit of text here that's kind of crossing these dimensions here. Click on the 2791 and then just hover over this grip. And you'll see there's an option on the menu to move text only. Click on that and just pop the text over here like that. And then just hit escape a couple of times. You've just moved it for convenience at the moment, because we now need to use dim break to break these three dimensions that we've just spaced. So we go up to dim break here now. There it is there, break or dim break. And it asks you to select the dimension to add or remove the break from. I'm going to select this dimension here. And then the object to break the dimension is the 2791 dimension. As you can see, it's added a nice little break. Press enter to confirm that to close out the command. Right click. On the shortcut menu, repeat dim break. You're now going to select this dimension, the 7501 dimension, and you're going to break it again with the 2791 dimension, like that. Press enter to confirm. Right click, repeat dim break again, select the 14701 dimension, and then break it with the 2791 dimension. Once you've done that, you can see they're all broken neatly like so. Press enter to confirm. Select your 2791 again. Hover over the grip again, and on the menu, move text only again, like we did before, and you can now reposition that dim text in a sensible place. About there is fine. Hit escape a couple of times to deselect. So you can see now that that looks so much neater in your AutoCAD drawing, just using dim space and dim break. They're very, very useful commands when you're tidying up dimension annotation on your drawings.